Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again today in with a new video for you guys. I'm sure you see the background has changed. I did move some things around in my room. So for the time being, this may be the background setup. For now, hopefully you guys enjoy it. I am using natural lighting right now, so if it comes in and out, that is why. I'm going to try that and also see if that will work better than using my lighting that I have because it is really nice outside. So let's just go ahead and get started. Hopefully you guys like this. All right, so in today's video, I have another influencer unboxing. I have done a couple of these videos on my channel for you guys, and you guys, some of you watch them, some do not, which is fine. I just love to share with you guys. And that's the thing that I also wanted to kind of talk about in this video. I really do truly enjoy doing YouTube. I enjoy sharing with you guys when I receive great discounts, deals. Also just my view on products and if they're any good. I do work in a makeup store, so I am able to see a lot of product and test out a lot of product and know whether or not they are good. So I do truly enjoy doing the videos. I can honestly say that sometimes when I see that, you know, numbers fluctuate, which I don't want to be that person that gets wrapped into numbers and is only wanting to have a certain number of people or a certain amount of views. I feel that whoever is supposed to watch my channel or be subscribed to my channel will be, and those that are not, you know, won't be, and that's okay. But sometimes, if I'm honest, I can say that it does get discouraging sometimes, and I know I haven't been truly consistent recently because of my new position and trying to get everything balanced and worked out, and then also finding ideas on what you guys may like and all of that. So that's been a little difficult for me. Some of my videos do better than others, like my hauls do much better than ones that I'm doing a tutorial or first impressions or something like that, which is fine as well. Everybody has their different preferences and what they like. But it can, if I'm honest, like I said, it can be discouraging at times when you see that, you know, your numbers drop or that you had so many subscribers and you come back a few days later and then they've gotten lower again and all of that. So I did just wanted to kind of let you guys know and apologize that I haven't been consistent in making videos. I am trying to get back in the wrap of things, but I have noticed that my videos haven't been getting a ton of views, as well as my subscriber count keeps going up and down, up and down. And it can be a little discouraging, but I have to continue to just remind myself that I'm not doing this for that purpose, that I'm solely doing it because I love it. I truly do enjoy it. And also because I want to be able to help somebody. And if it is just one or two people that I'm helping, then hey, I'm able to help those two people. So let's get on, enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So like I said, I have another influencer unboxing. And like I've mentioned to you guys many times before, with influencer, I have an account with them, which means basically that I can go on, which any of you can sign up, and you can review products, not just makeup products, but all kinds of products from food to anything you could possibly think of that you would purchase. And so once in a while they do send me something to try out. I am by no means obligated to make this video or to talk about this product to you guys, but I have chosen to do that because I do have the network, which is the channel, and I thought, why not share with you guys and let you know what I think and all of that. So in this box, as you can see, it says Dior on there, and what they sent in this box was the new Dior Forever Foundation. This is their 24-hour wear skin caring matte foundation, SPF 35. It does say this fluid foundation instantly creates a flawless and even complexion with tighter looking pores. From morning to night, the skin perfecting formula, enriched in selected skincare ingredients, supports skin's health day after day to deliver the perfect velvety matte finish. It's medium to full coverage. Like I said, 24-hour wear. It has a velvety matte finish, so it's not going to be like your complete true matte formula, which is great because I have dry skin. So those of you that have dry skin may like this. We will see today. And it does come in 28 shades. They also say that they have a Forever Skin Glow for radiant finish, which is one I think I would truly love because I have dry skin. And I'm assuming that's going to be geared more for the dry skin, but I'm hoping this matte one you can use if you're dry or oily. And that one says it comes in 24 shades and it's going to be sold at Sephora. And it does say the star skincare ingredients are Pansy Extract Hydration Booster, which helps protect the skin from drying, leaving it soothed and looking smoother and more radiant. And then the rosehip extract, which is the star ingredient of the Dior Forever, helps protect skin from external aggressors and reduce the appearance of pores. So that's always great. I noticed that I am more dry, but as I've gotten older, I have noticed that my pores are a little bit more accentuated and more opened. So that is great, and it looks just like that. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. I don't want this to be too long of a video since I'm only doing the foundation. I'm going to apply it with you guys. I'm going to quickly just take a baby wipe. These are from Dove. I got these at Ross. They're the Dove baby wipes. I paid $2.99 for these. They're the Sensitive Moisture, fragrance-free. You get 50 for $2.99. And these are just great to have when you're doing a quick wash. I've been out today, so I want to make sure that before I put this foundation on my skin. And they are very gentle. I've used them a couple times and I have not noticed like any breaking out or anything. So definitely give them a try if you're on the sensitive side. And I also like them so when I am doing a video, I can easily have quick cleanup. So that's always great. So I'm going to give this a minute to dry. I didn't remove my eye cream. My lips are so dry today. It's really, really irritating. I'm just using this C. Bigelow Mentha Lip Shine. These are the ones from Bath & Body. This is in the Mentha one, which is just mint. But they're super, super hydrating. Truly do love them. I don't know why my lips are so dry though today. I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to add a little bit of this Restore Serum on my face to hydrate before I go ahead and put the, and I'm kind of debating if I want to put a primer on or not because I want to see if this will work, if it will still look good without the primer. So we're going to try without the primer and then I'll go ahead and go in with a primer. You know, I'll try another time with a primer. Or I could do half with a primer and half without, I guess, maybe. So I'm just putting a little bit of my moisturizer on top of the serum. The moisturizer that I'm using right now is the Shiseido Benefits Wrinkle one. I'm almost done with that. I'm trying to use that up. Okay, so we're going to give that a minute or so to go ahead and set in, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. So what I like to do is I like to use a sponge and a brush. So what I'll do is I'll first go in with a brush, and then I'll go over with a sponge and kind of press it into my skin like I normally do. So they did send the full-size foundation. It is a 1 fluid ounce. And mine is in the color 1 in Neutral. And it looks like a pretty good match for me. We'll definitely be able to tell once I get it on the skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and pump it. Like I said, I'm gonna add a little bit of primer to this side of my face, and then we will add no primer on the other side. And the one that I'm using is the new Tarte Hydrating Primer. It smells really good, like coconuts, and it feels really good on the skin. I can say that when I use it, it does make my skin feel plump and hydrated. Add a couple of pumps to the back of my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in. The brush I'm going to use is this one from AOA Studio. It's a high def brush, F8. These were $1. It has that, I showed you guys in a recent haul, it has that ridged edge. They remind me a lot of the Sigma brushes that have like that unique shape to it. And I might have to take off my earrings for this, because then I'm gonna have makeup all over them. All right. So it does look like it may be just a tad on the more orange. I say orange, but people usually say like yellow side. But I don't know, like once it sets in, if it's gonna oxidize or change color. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some to the other side. Because when it first comes out, it's my shade, but then as it's setting on my skin and the air is hitting it, it kind of changes a little bit orange. So I don't know exactly the price, what this price, the foundation is going to be priced at. Now I would say it is full coverage. It can be built up. I'm just taking this Morphe sponge and I'm just going to press it into my skin. And I'm not sure if you guys can truly see the finish of it. But I mean, from what I can see, it looks really nice on the skin. It does not look drying at all, which is a good thing for me. It doesn't feel tacky or anything like that. You guys can't really see too well because it's so bright. I would say it's definitely a medium coverage. I feel like it can be built up. You definitely can build it to a full coverage if you wanted to. And I did like 2 pumps for each side. So I don't know if you guys can really see what it looks like. If you could even tell a difference in my skin. I had some blemishes here, and I feel like it did cover it pretty well. Not as full coverage as I typically would like. I'm going to go ahead and try to add one more layer, but this time I'm going to use the sponge and see if that makes a difference. I feel like it's definitely a good match for my skin. I really don't know if you guys are actually being able to see this or not. Bring you in a little closer so you could see. Looks pretty natural on the skin. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, and then I'll come back on a little later, but I'm going to test it out and see how it holds up for the remaining of the evening and how it did. So yeah, I'll go ahead and finish up my makeup, and then I'll come back on and we can end this video. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I finished up the rest of my makeup. Held up, as you can see, I did set it with a little bit of powder. Hopefully you guys can see my skin, how it looks. So I will definitely let you guys know how the foundation holds up and let you know what I think and my final thoughts. Thanks for watching.